our two doors and the foam between give us a 4-inch thick door. That's not going to work for a standard lock. So you can get what's called a thick door kit, but those typically accommodate a door up to 2¼ inches. If you have something bigger, it's a special order. So this client ordered something. So the lock still goes in the same way. It's a standard lock, and you don't need to be a locksmith to know how to do this. And we're going to put in this longer spindle, and then we'll have these two longer screws. So we'll get the lock drilled out first, then put this in. This piece that I call a spindle is actually called a driver bar. And if you see, there's a little brass pin right there, and you can push that thing in, and that allows you to unscrew this and get that thing out. You gotta kind of hold it down with one hand and unscrew with the other, and then see, that comes out. So once you've got that apart, put this C-shaped clip on there, so the notch goes on that brass pin. Hold it down there, then take this ring that you unscrewed, put it back on, and then just screw it back on. You know, reverse the process, pushing this thing down while you spin it. Now you can hold that thing down again and continue spinning just like you did when you took it off, until it's down there nice and tight. And that's it. Now it's not going to come out. There we are. There you can see I've got it drilled out just like any other lock. It's just going through two doors. And if you want to see a complete lock and deadbolt installation video, watch this video in my locks playlist. I put the deadbolt on the inside. It doesn't matter, but our outside door is beveled, and it's just easier to put a bolt in a door that's not beveled. It's very hard to line these up. You can't just put this lock on here and put these 4-inch screws through there and have it line up perfectly. So put one side in, and then, you know, peek with a flashlight and see if you have to move the lock around. You might have to make the hole a little bigger or drill your hole on a different angle, but it all goes together the same. Now, strike plate is in. Now these stops are going on later because it's going to be special soundproofing, but that's how that works. Very simple. The thick door kit.